incorporating seating and storage into walk-in showers. Walk-in showers are not just about functionality, they are also about comfort and style. Incorporating seating and storage into your walk-in shower can transform your daily routine into a luxurious experience. To incorporate seating and storage in walk-in showers, install built-in benches or floating seats, ensuring they are waterproof and slip-resistant. Add recessed niches or corner shelves for storage, using materials like tile or stone for durability. Consider accessibility with grab bars and ensure the design complements the shower's aesthetics, maintaining functionality without compromising space. This video from our shower remodeling company explains various creative ways to integrate seating and storage into your walk-in showers, enhancing aesthetics and practicality. The essentials of walk-in shower design. Understanding space dynamics. When planning a walk-in shower, it's crucial to consider the dimensions of your bathroom. A well-thought-out layout ensures that the shower area feels spacious while accommodating seating and storage. Ergonomics play a key role here, ensuring that the seating is at a comfortable height and that storage is easily accessible is paramount. Selecting the right materials. The choice of materials can make or break your walk-in shower design. Opt for non-porous, mold-resistant materials for longevity and ease of maintenance. Natural stone, porcelain, and composite materials are popular choices, offering both durability and aesthetic appeal. Innovative seating solutions for walk-in showers. Integrating seating into walk-in showers not only enhances comfort, but also adds a touch of luxury and functionality to your bathroom. Here are some innovative seating solutions that can transform your shower experience. Built-in bench seats. A built-in bench is a seamless and sturdy option for any walk-in shower. It can be constructed from the same material as the shower walls for a cohesive look, or contrasted with different textures and colors for a statement piece. Floating seats, a modern twist. Floating seats are a sleek and modern addition to walk-in showers. These seats are fixed to the wall and appear to float, hence the name. Adjustable and foldable seating options. For those who require flexibility in their shower space, adjustable and foldable seats are the perfect solutions. Luxurious spa seats. For a touch of indulgence, consider installing a spa-like seat in your walk-in shower. These can be sculpted stone benches or ergonomically designed seats that offer maximum comfort. Corner seats. Maximize every inch of your shower with a corner seat. These seats fit snugly into the corner of your shower and are a great option for smaller spaces. Shower stools and chairs. A simple and flexible option is a freestanding shower stool or chair. These come in various designs, from elegant wooden stools to modern waterproof chairs. Step seating. For a dual-purpose solution, consider a step that doubles as a seat. This can be a raised platform within the shower that provides a place to sit or a step to make reaching high shelves easier. Clever storage ideas for walk-in showers. Incorporating effective storage solutions into walk-in showers is essential for maintaining a functional and organized bathroom space. Integrated shelving solutions. Shelves are a must-have in any shower for organizing toiletries. Consider installing built-in shelves within the walls of your shower. Hidden storage options. For a minimalist and clutter-free look, hidden storage is key. This could include recessed cabinets in the walls or under-seat drawers in built-in shower seats. Multifunctional storage features. Think beyond traditional shelves and racks. A bench in the shower can double as storage space. Corner units for space efficiency. Corners are often underutilized in shower spaces. Installing corner shelves or a tiered corner caddy can provide extra storage without taking up much space. Door-mounted storage. If your shower includes a glass door, consider adding a door-mounted storage rack. This can be an excellent place to hang towels, robes, or caddies for additional storage. Customized niche storage. Customized niches carved out of the shower wall provide a streamlined and elegant storage solution. Magnetic strips for small essentials. A magnetic strip mounted on the wall can be a clever way to store small metallic items like razors or tweezers. Overhead storage. For showers with high ceilings, consider installing overhead storage. This could be a simple shelf high up on the wall for items that are not frequently used but need to be stored in the bathroom, like spare towels or bulk toiletries. Maintenance and upkeep. Easy to clean designs. Choose designs that facilitate easy cleaning. Avoid intricate textures where mold and grime can accumulate. Longevity and durability tips. Regular maintenance and using the right cleaning products are crucial for ensuring the longevity of your walk-in shower seating and storage. Incorporating seating and storage into walk-in showers is a transformative approach that marries functionality with style. By integrating innovative seating solutions, from built-in benches to foldable seats, and clever storage options like recessed niches and floating shelves, you can elevate your bathroom's convenience and aesthetic appeal.